Okay, so for this video, I'm going to be showing how we can extract the data from this chart so then we can go ahead and model it in the next video. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to import some things. So import numpy as np from XML import HTML. Oops. Come on. There we go. And then import requests. Okay. So, and then I'll hit Shift Enter and that'll run and it's all good. And then the next thing we're going to do is do URL equals. And so instead of using this specific web page, we're going to be using this because it just makes it easier to import the stuff, because sometimes the websites don't allow you to, take all the data out of it because you can't really do that. So we're just going to copy this URL. So copy, and then we're going to paste it there. And then we're going to do content equals requests. Request.get, and then I'll have the URL, and then .content. So that'll allow us to get the content out of it. And then we're just going to do tree HTML dot from string, content. So we're going to take the content out of there. And then let's see, we're going to hit Shift Enter. Oh, there's a problem. Oh, I see. I put request has an S. Enter. Okay, it's good. And then we're going to export the temperature and the pressure. So what we're going to want to do is set up t-string equals tree, this thing, dot xpath. And then, so what we're going to do is we're going to take this temperature, for example, and we're going to hit inspect. And this is actually the XPath, so we'll want to go to copy and copy XPath. And then we'll be able to go in here and hit paste. And then we want to make sure that it's in quotes. And then we're going to do the same thing for the pressure. So p-string equals tree.xpath. Then we're going to do the same thing, but we're going to go inspect. And this is the XPath for it. So we're going to go copy XPath and then paste it in there. And as you see, it says TR and then in the brackets 4 and then TR6. So that's because I copied this pressure, but I copied this temperature. So that's just copying just one temperature and one pressure. So what we're going to want to do is just get rid of that. And then it should copy all of the temperatures and all of the pressures. So that should be good. And then we're also, I forgot about this, we're going to want to do /text at the end. Oops. Just so we can get the text files of it. And then we're going to, so we can't actually like plot strings. So that's what this is. These are in strings right now. So we're going to change it into an integer, like a bunch of integers. So we're going to do np.array. We're going to do, T string and P string. And then as type np dot float 64. So that should be good. So if we look at this and we want to see the T string, we hit Shift Enter. So it gives us all of the temperatures. And if we wanted to see the P string, Shift Enter, gives us all the pressures. And then if we go down here and we want to see all the data, Enter, then it gives us all of that. And so this was just, you know, showing how to import the content from this website. And in the next video, I will show you how to model it.